So let's take a look at some tips and tricks for the Honor 200 Pro and its MagicOS 8 that runs there. This one works, of course, on the Honor 200 and the Magic 6 Pro, as well as the Magic 5 Pro, and probably some other devices like the Magic V3 as well. So stay tuned for some nice little tips and tricks. Let's first start off with privacy screenshots. So if I'm in an application like Messages application and I would have a phone number or something in here, as soon as I perform a screenshot and click on share, I have a sharing option that is called blur private info, and this will scan this screenshot for private information like phone numbers, nicknames, addresses, and so on, and blur it out automatically. So this is a very, very nice feature. And from this blurred screenshot, you can share it then or save it as well, which is a very, very cool feature indeed, especially if you want to share messages that you got on a messaging app without sharing the personal information of a person as well here. So this is a pretty cool thing here already, but another new cool thing is the possibility to do this, what I have here. So you know that there are some applications like Google Play Store, for example, that have those quick shortcuts here. And Amazon has also lots of quick shortcuts like today's deals, shopping basket, view orders, and search. What I can do with this single icon is stretch it out and it will show me those shortcuts here as an icon. So I have like a little folder there which is called Amazon Shopping, and I can directly go to my orders. I can directly go to the search and so on, which is pretty handy. Then the other thing is we have large folders already that we know from previous versions of MagicOS or even from other operating systems. But what you can do with those folders is you can rearrange them the way you see fit. Look at this here. This is my social media folder. You can see I stretch it out like this. So I have all those icons here in this folder. And you can see I can move them around just the way I want it. This gives me lots of flexibility to rearrange and to customize my home screen. Let's talk a little bit AI, and this is not an Honor specific kind of thing, more a Microsoft SwiftKey thing, but if I'm typing in something like I go into search and say this is a little test, oops, I have to agree to the Honor search. This is a little test. What I can do is I can mark this, I can correct this, but I also have this option here and going into the editor of Microsoft SwiftKey, which gives me some options to, first of all, correcting the spelling here. This is nice. I want to do this and change the tone. As you can see here, I can change the tone. This is small scale assessment, just a quick test, and so on. So this is the AI that helps me to create something or to recreate something, to redefine something, to make something sound different. But I can also compose stuff here, and I can just write things in here what I want it to be. So professional or more casual kind of thing. And this uses AI to generate then a text for me that can be a summary of something or just about a specific topic, which is quite interesting. This is built into Microsoft SwiftKey. Microsoft SwiftKey is the default keyboard on the Honor devices usually, at least the global ones. And this is nevertheless, I think, a very cool feature. So you can have it on all other Android devices as well if you have Microsoft SwiftKey, which is, I think, very, very powerful if you need it. Let's talk a bit about multitasking and saving apps. So I can just drag an application out here to make it small. You know that already. But did you know that I can also drag it out like here to go into multitasking split view? You can see this app is like going up there, and then I can open up another app that I want to have, like Google Play, for example. And then I have both of them. I can change rearrange them and their position. But what if I always want to have my notes there and my Google apps there on the bottom, for example, save it as a desktop icon? What I can do is press here in the middle in between. I can not only swap them, but I have also the possibility to save the app pair. And if I click on save the app pair, it automatically created a home screen entry for this, which looks like this. As you can see, a Notes and Play Store. So if I press on this one, I get automatically back to this. Even if I close them completely down, you will see it will rearrange, restart them in what I want to have in this kind of combination, which is quite very cool, especially if you want to copy something in from a web browser, for example, into your notes and have them both open to see them side by side. Very nice feature indeed. Another cool thing is you heard about the new circle to search that Samsung Galaxy devices have. I think it will come at one point also to the Honor devices. But what we have right now is already a combination of a knuckle screenshot and the Magic Portal that we can use. So if I have this little phone there, and I don't know what it is, I'm quite interested what it is, I just circle around it. It will take a screenshot. I can rearrange the screenshot or the thing that I really want, that I'm interested in. And then I just take it and pull it towards the sides and go down here to Google image search. And this will perform basically an image search on this one and tells me, okay, this is the Honor Magic 5 Pro that he has in his hand there. This is how it looks like. So this is another cool feature with, I think, one step more than the circle to search, where you have knuckle to search. You probably noticed I switched the cameras now to something else because the Magic 6 RSR is now in my hands, because I want to show you another feature that we have here actually already written down. It's called Honor Connect. This allows me to connect those two phones together and share files very easily. But this is not a major new feature. The cool thing is that we have also the possibility to share the clipboard. So if I want to have everything here selected and copy it, the cool thing is that here on my Honor Magic 6 RSR, where I don't see anything right now, I have the ability, everything that I copied here with Honor Connect can be pasted in here. So if I go into my Notes app, create a new note, you can see it already there, type note, I can just simply enter it in here and have everything in here. And the same works the other way around as well. So if I just go in, for example, a website like this, where it shows the new Honor Magic 7 Pro's camera island design, it's supposed to be this, then what I can do actually is like mark this text, mark this image, and I can also say copy, and then on my Honor 200 Pro I can just go down in here and can also say paste, and what it will do, it will there we go. It took a while to download it, but it will also paste the image as well as the text down below, as you can see here, which is quite handy. So very nice feature of Honor Connect that some people might not know, and this works now with two Honor phones, but imagine this can be working with the Honor phone and an Honor tablet or even an Honor laptop. Very nice and handy feature. Some of the new features that you can perform with Honor 200, 200 Pro and MagicOS 8. There are tons of other cool features of MagicOS that you can get to know, like knuckle gestures. They're not new in per se, but also the Magic Portal is quite fantastic as well to get into. But those are the more lesser known tips and tricks for the MagicOS 8, and I hope to see some more improvements to MagicOS that will come in the future, hopefully. That's everything for this video. If you have some more lesser known tips and tricks for the MagicOS 8, write it down in the comment section. Until the next time, bye.